So if you're looking to enhance your photo quality in just one click, you are on the right place, because I'm gonna show you just that. If you're dealing with blurry pictures, black and white picture, discolored picture, and pictures that are not looking their best, even if you have clicked them from your best of your device, so you are on the right place, because I'm going to solve that particular problem of yours. So all you have to do is go to your preferred browser and search for hitpaw.com, and you will be landed to the official website of the Hitpaw. And after that, you will get these two options. Try it for free, and you can also buy the premium version of Hitpaw if you want to use it for longer terms. So I'm just going to show you with the free version. If you like the tool, you can go ahead and purchase that one. So just click on try it for window, and then just go ahead and download the software in your device. So once you are done launching the software into your device, you will see this kind of home screen. So on the left hand side, you will have all these options like AI enhancer, AI generator, BG remover, or background remover, or object remover, and AI portrait, etc. So I'm just gonna take you through the AI enhancer tool. For this particular tutorial, just all you have to do is just upload the image and get this enhancer tool ready to enhance your images. So in the right hand side, you will see this AI models, which says face model, general model, denoise, colorize, and other options. You can simply select the file or the image that you want to enhance and choose one of these features in order to get started. So for example, I'm selecting the first image, and here you can see that the image is quite blurred here. And if you want to improve the quality of this particular video, all you have to click on general mode. So just click on preview, and the AI tool will start working to enhance this picture. And now you can see the difference between the image that we have just uploaded and the image that the AI has enhanced. So you can export the picture if you are satisfied with the result. So now we will try on the different features of it, like face model. So as you can see that the face of this particular model is blurred. So if you want to enhance this particular photo, so from the right hand side menu, as you can see that the face mode has already been selected, because it is the face that we are going to enhance. So you have these three modes like soft, sharp, and soft VC. So select the face, and after that the AI tool will start working on the enhancing feature. And now just click on preview, and the AI tool will start working on the face, and it will unblur the face and enhance this picture and the quality as well. Now as you can see that the AI tool has shown its magic, and it has enhanced the face, and it has completely changed the face of the model, and removed the blurred part and made this video a brand new one. Likewise, if you want to select a noised video where the picture is not so clear, so you can take that video as well and click on preview. Now as you can see that the AI tool has done its magic, and you can clearly see the before and after of the video. You can see this picture is quite noisy, where everything is blurred, nothing is looking visible clearly. And on the other hand, the picture that the Hitpaw has enhanced, you can see it's quite denoised and subtle and very clearly visible each and every object on the video. So this is basically how the Hitpaw tool will enhance your pictures. So you can go ahead and utilize this particular software to enhance your picture if you're looking for that. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.